It's a mess, a big mess.
Erica Smith hasn't been able to enter her apartment down this hallway for a week.
I can't live in my own apartment. Everything is in there, and I gotta go to the store to get some more clothes.
Smith says her apartment flooded a week ago, and there's no way anyone could live in the conditions we smelled today when she opened the door.
What's that smell like to you?
It's dead person. It smells like a dead person in there.
Smith says her landlords have not offered to relocate her or help. Her landlords are investors with TEH Realty. KMBC9 has investigated them for months for poor living conditions across the metro. So we encouraged Erica to call the health department.
I just want to get another place to go to so I can live comfortably, not flooded, nothing like that.
Within just a couple hours of her call, inspectors with Kansas City's Healthy Homes program started investigating, and they quickly ordered the landlord to vacate the apartment. Smith, in the meantime, is living with her family. The landlord could face several fines for this. They have to get the apartment back to a rental-ready condition before anyone can move back in here. In South Kansas City, Matt Fleener, KMBC 9 News.